Adrenaline Junkie Heaven. You're basically wrestling a liquid skyscraper. If that ain't a rush, your funny bone's broken. Level up your life. Literally. Forget Candy Crush. Mastering these waves is the ultimate I win at nature flex. Hugging Mother Ocean. When she's furious, it's like a really intense water park ride, but way more likely to eat you. Respect. Proof you're not just watching Netflix. Riding these monsters gets you Insta-famous, maybe. Either way, epic bragging rights. Your tribe of crazy water people. You bond with folks who also think giant wave sounds like a fun Tuesday. Misery and awesome rides loves company.